how to add product on your online store in Wix. So to add products to your online store, what you can do is you can just head over right here to the catalog option, go over right here to the store products and click onto this product option. Now, once you have done that, it should be able to redirect you to the product edition page. You can see it right here. So what we can do is just click onto this new product option and then choose between physical product and digital file. For this one, just choose which one you want. For example, for this case, I will choose physical product. Now from in there, it should be able to open the product editor. So onto the product editor right here, we should be able to see it, the fields that we can actually fill up. So in here, just fill up the name and then add some images and videos. Add some product infos like the name of the product, ribbon for that, as well as descriptions. So you can also add the pricing. For example, let's price it at around 999. And then you can input right here the cost it will take you to actually produce your product. So for example, let's input 150 and we have a margin of 84.98%. You can also add custom text field and have some variations for the product. You can add product captions and you can also track inventory. Once you're done, just head over and click onto the save option in order to successfully add this product to your Wix Studio. So that's how you add your product and your online store on Wix Studio. Hope we helped.